Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a homemade product which is a skincare as well as hair care product which I love using. So let's talk about that. I have named it as orange water. Just like its name, it's very easy to make. You just need orange peel and a bowl of water. How to prepare? You must have already guessed it. So you just have to put the orange peel in the water and boil it. Your orange water is ready. How to use orange water? You can use it as a facial cleanser, or in simpler word, you can use the orange water to wash your face. I mean, instead of regular water, use orange water. That's how I like to use. And secondly, you can mix orange water into your bathing water and take bath. So that is how it is going to be helpful for your body as well. For hair, you can mix it with the water which is used to wash your hair, the regular water. You can mix the orange water with that and wash your hair the way you usually do. Now the main question, why we need to use the orange water? Let me tell you why I use this orange water. So first and foremost, it's relaxing. So when I say relaxing, it's both. That's my neighbor buddy, Mahi. His name is Mahi. He wants to be featured in my Girlipedia, I guess, so that's why he's barking. So when I say relaxing, it's not just mentally, it's both mentally as well as physically. So orange water, it has this amazing fragrance that relax your mind, and also orange water has this content in it which relaxes your muscle as well. If you have dry skin issues, especially during winter, what you can do is you can mix orange water into your bathing water. So what it does is orange water adds hydration to your skin, so your skin will thank you for that. Orange water can also be used as an exfoliating agent. So when you use orange water onto your skin or to your body, so it has this exfoliating property that exfoliates your skin, that is, it removes all the dead and dry skin layer from your skin, so your skin will be soft and radiant. Orange water can also be used as a natural toner. So what I usually like doing is I use orange water to wash my face instead of just using as a toner. So basically orange water, what it does to your facial skin pores is that it purifies the facial pores and it refines them and tightens your skin pores. So that's how it is going to do a job of a natural toner. If you have any skin irritation or inflammation or just redness, what you can do is you can apply orange water on it. Orange water has this soothing property that is going to soothe that irritation and gives you instant relief. As I said, orange water adds moisturization, so dry skin beauties are happy with it. But orange water has these benefits for oily skin as well as sensitive skin beauties as well. If you have sensitive skin, if you have acne or breakouts, orange water is going to help you out. How? Orange water is going to help you dry out the acne, and that's how it's going to cure the active acne. Now let's talk about the benefit for oily skin beauties. So for oily skin, the problem is that there is overproduction of the facial oil. Orange water, what it does is it's just balance out the oil production. So it's going to make sure that your skin doesn't look greasy or oily. So it's just going to balance out everything. So chip will be gone. So this is how it's going to help oily skin beauties. Orange water for brightening your skin. Orange water has vitamin C in it, which is a brightening agent, natural brightening agent. If you use orange water regularly, it is going to fade away the blemishes or any discoloration if you have. So overall, it's going to give you a bright skin. Let's talk about hair care. Let's talk about the root first. your scalp should be healthy in order to get healthier hair. So if you have any scalp infection or any issues with the scalp, you need to use orange water onto your scalp. So that is going to make sure that the infection is cured and you'll be left with healthy scalp. As I said before, or I told multiple times, that orange water adds hydration. So just like it adds hydration to your skin, it is going to add hydration to your hair as well. So if you have dry, frizzy hair, you can use orange water to condition your hair. It is going to add hydration to your hair, and plus it is going to add shine to your hair. So this is about the orange water which I regularly use. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, please hit the like icon and share this video with your friends and family, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.